Very good morning, kids. Welcome back, all of you. So, kids, today is the last day of the April month. Okay, so now the April month is going to be finished. And which month comes after April? May. Okay, so the new month will be started from tomorrow, and the name of the new month is May. Okay. So kids, how are you all? And yes, very well done. Again, you people all are doing the homework and everything. And I have the list again of the students, those who have sent me the awareness messages and the birds animals pics also. Very nice. Again, one more time, clap all of you. Very well done. So here I have the name. There's one new student joined us, that is Yashraj Thakur. Very good, Yashraj, that you have taken initiative. Well done. So again, Akshat Katare, Shreyansh, Gitanjali, Hardiki, Vivek, Zyan has sent me the worksheets and everything. Satvik, Mohul, Mahi, Shivanya, Alok Chauhan, Riyansh, always doing the work. Pallavi, Iknoor, Akshat, very well done. And Akshat Chaurasia sent me the birds animals pics also. Very good. And Hardiki also sent me the same. Satvik also sent me the same. And very nice. They all have done all the homework. They all are sending me all the worksheets that I have given daily. So very well done. Akshat Chaurasia, Shreyansh, Gitanjali, Hardiki, Vivek, Zyan, Satvik, Mohul, Mahi, Shivanya, Alok Chauhan, Riyansh, Pallavi, Iknoor, Akshat, Lavanya, Ritvi. Very good, Ritvi. She has also sent me the maths worksheet and Yashraj Thakur. So all of you, for you, again, I have the fantastic, excellent, wonderful work. Very well done that you all have taken the initiative to learn and write everything. Very well done, all of you. You all have revised the rhymes. You all have done the homework regularly. Keep it up for your parents and for you. I'm very happy for you all, and I am very much waiting to meet you all. So kids, very well done one more time. And today is our not Hindi class, not English class. Today I am going to take your maths class. Yes, because your maths teacher is not well, actually, that's why I'm going to take the maths class today. Okay, and we are going to revise some previous topics that you have already learned. Reverse counting 10 to 1 and the numbers name ONE1 TWO2. So here I have some placards. With the help of, we can make the spellings. Like I have the, see here I have some cards, so we have to arrange the spelling of 1. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, so what is the spelling of 1? O N E. 1. Remember that? O. So remember the spelling of TWO. 2. Very nice. So what we are going to do? We are going to do one activity for reverse counting, and I hope you will enjoy. And this activity is related to the butterfly. Actually, butterfly wants to reach her home, but she don't know how. So let's help the butterfly. Okay, so let's start the activity. So kids, now we are going to conduct one activity to learn the reverse counting 10 to 1. Okay, so you can see here are the numbers, and there's a beautiful flower and the leaves are there. Okay, and there's a one butterfly who is sitting on the number 10. Okay, and she has to reach on the number 1. But to reach on the number 1, she has to complete the way. Okay, so for that she has to find out the numbers and place them on a correct place. Okay, so how she will do? She is sitting here. Okay, now she moves and she will find out the number which comes below the number 10. So 10 is written here. So now which number will come here? Tell me, butterfly, which number? Is this? No. Is this? No, butterfly. Is this? Yes, this is the number. Butterfly. Now, butterfly will pick up this number. Now, butterfly pick up this number. Wow, butterfly ले जा रही है and keep it here. Okay, butterfly. Very good, butterfly. So, now she has completed 10, 9. Now, which number is next? Now, butterfly, tell me which number comes next? 10, 9. Which number is this? No, butterfly. Is this? No, butterfly. Is this? Yes. Pick up the number. Pick up the number. Come and keep it here. Very good, butterfly. Well done. So, here we have completed 3, 10, 9, 8. Okay. Now, butterfly, which number is next? Tell me. Is this? No. Is this? No, butterfly. Is this? Yes. So, pick up the number 7. Very good, butterfly. Now, keep it on its correct place. Yes, this is the correct place. Very good. So, now that we have completed 10, 9, 8, 7. Now, butterfly, which is the next number? Tell me. Is this? No. Yes, butterfly. Very good. Keep it here, and very good. Very good, butterfly. You have learned this. Very good. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now, which is the next number, butterfly? Oh, wow. Now, tell me fast. Which number's next? Is this? No. Yes, butterfly. Very good. Keep it here, butterfly. Very nice. Leave it, butterfly. Okay, butterfly. Let's find out the fast number now. 5. After 5, which number comes next? Very good, butterfly. You have already picked the number 4. Keep it here. Okay, now let's move on to the next number. Yes, very good, butterfly. 3. Keep it on this correct place. And yes, the number which last. Oh, wait, butterfly. The last number is 2. So pick it up and take it. Yes, complete. Very good, butterfly. So, happy, butterfly. You reach your place. Okay, now you can easily go to your home and then come back again. Okay, so let's revise one more time. So, the first number is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very good. So like this, we have revised the reverse counting one more time. Okay, kids? So kids, you enjoy the activity for reverse counting. We have learned, and butterfly easily reaches their home 1. Nice? Okay? So remember that 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Very nice. And we have also learned the number names 1 and 2 with the help of pluck cards activity. Okay? So now we are going to do the practice in the notebook. Okay? So let's do the practice. So kids, here we are going to revise the reverse counting 10 to 1 one more time, and the number names also. Okay? So you all are ready for that? Okay, so let's start with me with the help of this activity. Okay? So the first number is 10. So I'm gonna write here 1, 0, 10. Okay, the next number is 9. So remember that 9 will come below the 0. Okay, so here we will write 9, then 8, 7, 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so like this we will practice 3 times. Now we will write again 10 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, one more time. 10 9 8 7 2 1. Okay, so let's count it one more time. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. And remember one thing, you have to speak and write. Okay, don't write just that you are writing the work. Just speak like I am doing. 10 9 8 बोल बोल के लिखना है आपको. Okay, now we will do the practice of number names. Okay, let's start. Remember, I don't have a maths notebook. Okay, that's why I have made the blocks here. So you have to write the number names also in a block. You have to write each alphabet in one block. Okay, like I'm doing. O N E 1. Okay, and what is the spelling of 2? T W O 2. Okay, here I will write 1 and here I am gonna write 2. Okay, so we will write this spelling 5 times. O N E 1. O. Okay, so 5 times you have to write down the spelling of 1 and now the number name of 2. T W O 2. T W O 2. T W O 2. T W O 2. Okay, okay, so like this you have to do the practice of reverse counting 3 times and number names 5 times. And remember one thing, if you are writing in a box, okay, so don't write like this, that you are, if you have to touch the, like I'm making the box here, then I will show you. These are the boxes that I have made here. Okay, so don't write like this. This is wrong. You have to touch the line with the letter. Okay, like this. Touch. Okay, if you are writing in the air, then it is wrong. Okay, so remember that. Okay kids, here also you have to touch the line while writing the numbers. Okay, don't write the numbers in the air like this. If you are doing like this, if you are not writing in the lines properly. Okay, so remember that. So kids, we have done the practice of reverse counting 10 to 1 and numbers name 1 and 2. Okay, and this is your homework also for today. Do practice the same work at home and learn it. Okay, yes, very nice. This is the homework. And yes, some of the students have sent me the fruit's name and the day's name also. That's very nice. And the name of that student is Satvik. Very nice, Satvik. And one more student is there. I don't know the name, but I will explain in the next. Yes, that Akshay Chaurasia. Very nice. And I know that other students are also doing the same, because जिसके नाम भी इस लिस्ट में है वो सारे बच्चे मेरे लिए आउटस्टैंडिंग हैं. ओके, So you all are very good students, very good students. I like you all. Okay kids, so this is your today's class, up to this much only. Do the homework, okay, and do the playing daily, do the other works daily. Keep yourself neat and clean, stay healthy, eat good food, stay at home. Okay, bye bye kids, take care everyone.